Hello everybody, we have another gentleman's box. Let's see what's in it. The theme is Adored Activist, February 2018. Let's break the seal without cutting myself. I'm holding it this way. Okay, so we have nice. Looks good, looks good. We have a beautiful tie, and it is called from, it is from Tie Doctors. Look at that. That's a cute little label. It is pink and blue. Let's see what else we have. A journal. Now that's awesome. It is brown leather. The pages are lightly yellowed. Looks very cute. Very, very neat. Let's see what I can find in the description for that. Here it says, leather journal. Journals, diaries, and day planners help to stay organized. Inspired by our honoree and his passion for writing, we are featuring a genuine leather pocket journal by Percentage Sin in this month's box. Awesome. Love it. So Percentage Sin, that's why a percentage sign is stamped on there. Really cool. Love it. It's very nice. Let me go ahead and open it. Look at that. Lots of room for notes, and it's really, oh, it feels so nice. Beautiful. Then we also have socks. They are from Mind Socks. It says, be bold, break barriers. Let's go ahead and pull them out. Same color scheme. We have pink and blue. Toe and heel are pink. And main sock is blue and has a little pink pattern on it. Beautiful. We also have a cherry lip balm from Detroit Grooming Company. Oh my, and a pen. Well, not quite as fancy as I thought it would be, to be honest. But no, it's nice. Let's see what the description says. It says percentage sign, so the same company as the journal, Ballpoint pen. To pair with your leather pocket journal, we are featuring a black ballpoint pen made by Percentage Sign. This pen serves as 2-in-1 capacitive touchscreen stylus. Oh, you can use it as a stylus. That makes sense. The tip, yes, definitely feels different. It's compatible with all touchscreen devices. That's actually pretty neat. Interesting, interesting. One more thing. Traveling Gentleman's Boutique. It looks to me like a pocket square. Let's see. It is gray by the Traveling Gentleman's Boutique. Yep, just like it says on the package. It is gray patterned with a little bit of pink stripes in it. Beautiful. I like it. This is it for this time. We have Traveling Gentleman's Boutique Pocket Square. The, dear Lord, what was it called again? Percentage, I'm sorry, I need to look up the name really quick. Percentage Sign, oh, so simple. Percentage Sign pen. Percentage Sign journal. Detroit Grooming Company cherry lip balm. I don't want to open it yet, it's still sealed. And we have also Mind Socks in pink and blue. And Tie Doctor's tie in pink and blue. That's it for this time.